各位同學，今日咧我哋嚟到呢個十架廚房咧，我會帶大家咧去學下點樣去拍影片喎。咁今日我哋特別咧會學下點樣去煮嘢食嘅。咁我哋今日就會講一個叫做英式早餐咧。咁我特登咧就請咗正宗嘅英國人咧為我哋準備英式早餐。有請 Mr. Udon。
Hi everyone! So we're going to make an English breakfast today. I'm an English guy, so I know all about English breakfast. Let's take a look and see what things we need. For an English breakfast, we need sausages.
腸仔、
We need bacon.
煙肉、
We need baked beans.
焗豆、
We need eggs.
蛋、
We need some butter.
牛油、
And of course, we need bread.
麵包啦。
So let's start making our English breakfast now.
咁煮嘢食之前，梗係要洗一洗手先啦。記得用番梘捽乾淨隻雙手，大約20秒。手背要洗下，手指間指縫、手指甲上面手掌入邊咧都要捽乾淨晒佢喎。好，乾淨晒，揈乾佢，掂。
So it'll take the longest. This one doesn't need any time because it's already cooked. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Oh.
先打開佢。
Oh, I need some scissors. Thank you, Mr. Lee. Let's open up the bacon. Wow, looks good.
正啊！呢個煙肉。
Okay, we need a little bit of butter so the bacon does not stick to the pan. Thanks, Mr. Lee.
我哋咧要用啲牛油啦，首先等個煙肉咧唔會黐住喺個煎 pan 上面啦。
Got the hang of this. Let's put in some bacon.
跟住我哋就開始煎香啲煙肉啦。
And then we need to wait for it to change colour.
我哋等佢咧慢慢咧變色咯喎。
It's very thin, so it doesn't take very long.
如果你自己屋企煮嘅話咧，小心唔好伸隻手埋去啦。咁你用翻個鑊鏟咧就最安全。
Let me take a look, see what it's like.
睇下點先。
Not yet. Needs more time. Maybe 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
Let me get the sausages ready now.
好，而家我哋去攞香腸預備啦。
Now. Boom, yeah. Crispy. I think it should go a little bit golden like that.
有啲金黃色咧，煎到佢就最好啦。而家我哋預備腸仔啦，我哋放啲腸仔落去煎埋佢。
Oh, it smells good now.
我都聞到陣味啦，而家聞到煙肉味啦，加埋啲腸仔就有啲腸仔味啦。記住啊 ，Mr. Udon 係受過專業嘅訓練所以佢可以伸隻手落去。大家翻喺屋企咧都可以試下同屋企人試下煎下腸仔，整下煙肉食。
Oh, I should have pricked the sausages first.
如果吉下啲腸仔咧，咁佢就快啲熟。
This should stop them from going pop, pop, pop.
I think pop 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 is the water.
See how it's splitting there?
Sausage and water.
Yeah. I need 3 plates. Okay, plate number 1.
好，
One
我哋上
sausage.
碟啦。 先上咗香腸先，
1 bacon.
跟住煙肉啦。
Yeah, that looks good. Looks nice. Okay, plate number 2. Yeah, it looks nice. This is the best one. Look at that.
呢個最靚，因為最燶。
Okay, good. Now, let's do toast.
跟住我哋就會煎埋個麵包。
This is not the healthy way. If you want to be healthier, use a toaster. But we don't have a toaster today, so we're going to fry the bread.
煎麵包咧比較冇咁健康啊，但係咧我哋其實最好咧有個焗爐嘅咧就叮一叮佢嚇，叮一叮佢就比較好啲啦。
But it's not very healthy. Should make that sound.
應該篤落去咧有啲硬淨嘅，咁啊就煎得啱啦。放埋個麵包上去。應該咧你知道佢幾時熟咧，就應該咧好似頭先有啲聲音咁樣嘅敲落去嘅時候啦。
While I'm waiting for the toast, I want to put the beans into this container because this can go in the microwave.
咁當我哋等緊嘅時間咧，我哋都可以開個罐，開咗個罐焗豆罐啊，咁我哋放咗入去咧個兜嗰度咧，咁我哋就可以攞去微波爐嗰度叮熱佢。
Here we go.
而家打開佢啦，我哋打開佢放佢入去，就攞去焗爐度叮，微波爐叮熱佢啦。So what happens if we don't have the microwave?
If we don't have the microwave, we can do these in a saucepan or in a frying pan, but you need to use a low heat. You can't use a very, very hot pan.
如果你屋企冇微波爐嘅話咧，咁都可以整嘅。咁你就將佢咧放落個煎 pan 度，但係你就要好低熱度咁樣咧去煎佢，去煮佢啦，就唔好。
The last thing. For an English breakfast, you need eggs.
最後一樣啦，我哋要預備嘅咧就係咩咧？蛋啊嚇！當然要放翻啲油啦。咁你屋企冇牛油，你用普通植物牛油咩嗰啲都得嘅。咁當嗰啲透透地黃色嘅蛋白變翻白色嘅時候咧，就已經煮好啦。
Okay, plate please, Mr. Lee.
好，搞掂，上碟啦。
Don't break, don't break, don't break. Come on, come on.
Not breaking.
Yes, that's good. Okay, 2 more very quick.
而家咧去攞豆。攞埋啲豆出嚟咧，咁我哋預備好啦。好熱啊！你見到佢出晒煙啊！好熱啊
Is it really, really hot?
好熱啊！好熱啊 ！It's very hot。
Almost done with the last egg.
咁埋最後一隻蛋，我哋就整完啦。
Almost there.
No, 好，最後咧，我哋就加埋啲焗豆入去咯喎嚇。咁啊，啱啱喺微波爐攞出嚟啦，我哋而家加落去啦。
Okay, we've got 3 beautiful English breakfasts here. One for me, one for Mr. Lee, and one more for Mr. Mark. Thank you, Mr. Mark.
咦，我哋好似爭緊啲嘢未講。I think we still have something that haven't tell them about
Oh, I know. Is it that they can make their own video at home?
Oh yeah。
Oh, okay. Can you tell them, Mr. Lee?
忘記咗講翻一樣嘢，究竟我哋煮完嘢食唔係淨係食㗎，唔係淨係煮㗎嘛？咁究竟你翻屋企要點樣做、點樣拍咧？咁咧其實咧好簡單嘅啫。你拍嘅話咧，我相信大家都有呢一樣嘢嘅嚇，屋企應該會可能有嘅智能手機啦。你有手機嘅話咧，咁你可以攞你嘅手機啦去錄低佢。咁啊請屋企人幫手咯喎，請你嘅爸爸或者媽媽。咁你拍嘅時候咧，好簡單咧，你講翻究竟你做緊咩就得㗎啦嚇。Do you think you have anything to add?
Yeah. Just remember that if you want to make a video at home, all you need is a phone and a good idea.
記住咯喎，當你要喺屋企拍片嘅話咧，好簡單嘅啫，只要你有部手機咧，同埋你有一個諗法喺度咧，清晰嘅諗法咧，咁你就做到一條好好嘅 YouTube 片㗎。好，咁我哋咧肚餓啦，要食嘢啦，下次再見，拜拜。
See ya!